Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to show this really cute DIY paper straw that you can put on gifts. They're kind of like a cute little ornament. It's super simple, super inexpensive, and it shows that you paid attention to detail, the cuteness of a gift. For the tools, you're going to need some wire, a gift box, some paper straws, and a couple of other things. So starting with these paper straws, this is kind of in the color of like a rose gold and white. We have all sorts of styles and colors on our website, so go ahead and check that out. And basically you're going to be cutting up these 3 straws into 5 pieces. That additional piece at the very end, if you're doing more than one gift, just use that additional piece for another star for another gift. At this point you can pick one of 3 options, either wire, threading, or you can use some yarn, whatever that you'd like as far as bring it together. It doesn't matter too much. We're choosing the wire because it's got that nice kind of durability, so that is why we're using the wire there. So you're just going to slide on all of those 5 straws there, and once that's done you're going to connect them all just so it makes a pentagon once it's all tucked in there. Now it looks like a little bit of a messed up pentagon, but go ahead and just twist it to the very edge there and clip it really close. You don't want anyone getting hurt on their star there. So there you go, there's the pentagon, and now we're going to start the magic. You're going to bring the top kind of that pentagon or that house and bring it over to the bottom so it makes these kind of facing triangles, and then you're going to scrunch it into place where you have 3 of them lining up. Once that's done, you're going to let go 2 of them, and then the point of the star is going to be on the top. Now what you're going to do is you're going to bring the point of that star underneath the back of that point. So that kind of bar in the back, you're going to bring it underneath. That way it's going to stay into place. Once that's done, just go ahead and move it around and make it how you like, and voila, you're done. You might have to rewind it a couple of times just so you can go ahead and make it yourself. It's not that hard once you get the hang of it. So basically just gift wrapping a white box. These are really versatile, I believe, because if you have a really nice satin ribbon going on, you can pick whatever color, but it makes it a little bit more glamorous. It makes it more chic, and the one who's receiving it, it's almost as if that they have that chicness with the DIY, and I think it looks really good. So here you're going to be using the fishing wire, and that way it can look like it's floating on the actual gift, so you don't have any extra textures working with it. We want to keep it very minimal, very classy, and it looks really great. And if you are new to our channel, make sure that you consider subscribing, hit that bell so you get notifications. We upload every single week, and would love you to join our family here and join our creativeness and spread the joy. So here basically you're just going to put it on one of, or lace it through one of the actual parts of the ribbon there, and here the part of making the bow really nice. You know, it's all about taking a little bit of time and manipulating the bow, because the bow is the center of the action there, and of course the star looks really good. So you can either put it on top there, make it short, or have it hang on the side and it looks really cute. We actually made a couple of options and did some with some red straws, red and white straws. It depends on basically the actual ribbon that you use for the box, but you can find all of these in the description below. If you guys enjoy the video, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.